what? Today Mr. Dari has a new challenge. Look! He wrote a big word on the board.
Today's word is share.
Sharing. Like giving away all my stuff.
Sharing means giving a little of what you have to help someone else.
Oh, so I don't have to give everything? So sharing is like helping a friend, letting someone borrow something, or being kind.
3 simple ways.
Share your time. Share your things. Share your kindness. Wait, I think someone needs help right now.
I don't get this part.
I can share my time. I can help you. See? Sharing made both of us smile.
That's the power of sharing.
Ask your kid how they will share. Great job learning share today. From my heart to all the children all over the world, and to Man who inspires it all, Lola's here. Keep learning.